Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install ChromeOS dual boot with Windows 11 without any USB pen drive. So without getting much more delay, let's get started. First of all, just click on the start menu, search for power, and here we'll get PowerShell. Click on the arrow and just click on run as administrator. Click on yes, wait a few seconds. Now you will have to open the ChromeOS codes file. The file downloading link will be given in the description. Now copy the first command, copy, and come here, right click on PowerShell and click on the enter key. Okay, it's done. Now close the PowerShell, minimize this. Now click on your keyboard Win key plus R and type regedit. Click on enter key, click on yes, double click on a local machine, double click on system. Now current control set, control, then scroll a bit, then click on session manager, click on power and just select the hyperboot enabled, double tap on it and replace the 1 with 0 and click on OK, and now click on file and click exit. Now click on start, search for features and here you'll find turn Windows feature on off, make it full screen, enable Windows subsystem for Linux, virtual machine platform, Windows hypervisor platform, and click on OK. Now you will have to restore to your PC. Now just open your browser and search for cross-take ChromeOS and here you'll find ChromeOS update. Click on here and click on here. Now if you're using Intel processor from 2nd gen to 9th gen, you'll have to download Ramas, and if you're using 10th gen to latest, then you'll have to download Voltaire, and if you're using AMD processor, then you'll have to download Zark. Click on the search. As per your system, search with your keywords and here you will find many options. Click one of them and from there click on here, choose the latest one and the download will be stored. You'll have to wait here. Again search for Cbank branch release. Now click on the GitHub link and here you will have to click on latest. Click on the tor.zz, download will be stored. Now search for grab to win. Click on the first link and click on download is stored. When everything is downloaded, close the browser and now just right click on the start menu, click on disk management. Now you will have to create a drive minimum 100 gigabytes. Just right click on the bigger drive and click on shrink volume. I've taken 100 gigabytes and click on shrink. 100 gigabyte space has been created as unallocated. Right click on the unallocated space, select a new simple volume, click on next, click on next, click on next. Here put the drive name as ChromeOS and click on next, click finish. Now it's done. Now open this PC, go to download folder and here you'll find 3 things. Select 3 things and right click on them, select cut and go to this PC and go to ChromeOS drive and paste it here. Now you will have to right click on ChromeOS, click on extract all and check this, click on extract, wait a few seconds. Now you can delete ChromeOS the file. Now select the ChromeOS folder and rename it. Now open it, select the ChromeOS and right click on it, select cut and go back here, paste it. Now you can delete the folder. Now it's done. Now open Microsoft Store. Now here search for Ubuntu and open it, click on get. Just wait a few minutes to complete the installation. Now it's done. Don't open it now, just close it. Now you will have to restore to your PC and access the BIOS menu of your PC. To access the BIOS menu, you can refer this portal, otherwise you can search on Google. On BIOS menu, if your secure boot is enabled, just disable it, and if your virtualization is disabled, enable it and press F10 on your keyboard and hit enter key. Now click on start and here you'll find Ubuntu. Click on it. Now click any key, click on yes. You'll have to wait here to download the subsystem for Linux. Now it's done. Click on any key. Now again click on start and click on Ubuntu. You'll have to wait for a few minutes. Now here you'll have to put a username. Make sure the username is in small letters, don't use capital letters. Click on any key and here you'll have to choose a password and then click on enter and again re-enter the password and click on any key. Password is set successfully. Now just you'll have to wait a few seconds. Now it's done. Now you will have to open the ChromeOS codes and again go to File Explorer, go to this PC and here go to the ChromeOS drive, select the branch and select rename, right click on it, copy the name and come here, select this and right click on them, click on paste. It's done. Now again click the ChromeOS, rename it, select complete.bin, right click on them, copy and here select from ChromeOS to .bin and right click on them, click on paste, and here go back. The drive size is 100 gigabytes and free space is 93 gigabytes, and here you will type 80 gigabytes. Make sure minimum 10 gigabytes is free here. That means if I take 8 gigabytes, 13 gigabytes will be free space here. Now here you will have to note down the drive letter. In my case it's D. Now minimize the File Explorer. Now Ubuntu terminal and ChromeOS codes side by side like this. Now select the first line and right click on them, select copy and right click on the terminal and hit enter key for the passwords of your Linux and hit enter. Wait a few seconds here. Now it's done. Again select the second line, click copy and right click on here, hit enter key. It's done. Now here copy the third line, right click on it and copy and right click on here, again hit enter key. It's also done. Now here open the File Explorer, go to this PC and here note down the ChromeOS drive letter. In my case it's D. In your case it may be different, and just come here and type is like this D and copy the line, minimize this and right click on here, click on enter key. Where on this folder type OS and hit enter. All are here. Now here you can find the branch is at the last .cz, and here you'll have to click here add .cz. Click select the line and right click on them, copy, right click on here, hit the enter key and wait a few minutes here. Now it's done. Now time to choose the second line, right click on it, select copy, right click on here and click on enter key. You'll have to wait here for 15 to 30 minutes. Now it is completed. Just type dual boot and click on enter key. It's done. Now just close it. Also close the command and go to File Explorer, and here you'll find ChromeOS recovery route image has been created. And now you will have to extract the Grab to Win application. After extracting, just click on here and to open Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection and go to Manage Settings and disable all the settings. Now just open the Grab to Win folder and install the Grab to Win. Click More Info and click on Run Anyway. Click on Yes. Click on Yes. Set up your screen size as 1080p. Now click on Manage Boot menu and here click on Add New Entry. From the drop down select Sub menu, put the name as ChromeOS and just click on Edit Custom Code. And now just open this file and here you'll find some bunch of commands. Click on Control A and right click on them, copy, and now you can close it and here just right click and paste the command. Close it by clicking here, click on Save, click on OK, again OK, again click on OK and click on Apply, then OK and click on Apply. Now click on OK, click on Close. Now you will have to restart your PC. Now on this user interface, just scroll down and here ChromeOS, select the ChromeOS and click on hit the enter key, again hit the enter key. In the stage it may take 15 to 20 minutes. You'll have to wait here. Now click on Get Started. Here select Personal Use and click on Next. Now click on Next. Here you will have to log in with your Google account. Now accept terms and conditions, again accept and continue. Now here you can choose your icon size, click on Next. Here you'll have to choose your theme and click on Next, and also click on Get Started. Congratulations, you have successfully installed ChromeOS on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.